Good afternoon everybody and welcome to the Gwent Youth Question Time event sponsored by the Office for Police and Crime Commissioner. This event offers you with the opportunity to ask key decision makers the questions which are important to you.
Let's meet our panellists.
Hello, Julian Williams, Chief Constable, Gwent Police.
Hi, I'm Dave Williams. I'm Director of Family and Therapy Services in an area of Bevan Health Board, which is all the children's services and all the women's services and all the therapy services. And I'm also the Welsh Government's Children's Mental Health Advisor.
Hello, I'm Jeff Cuthbert. I'm the Police and Crime Commissioner for Gwent.
Hi, I'm Liz Gregory and I'm the Joint Head of Child and Family Psychology for Ireland Bevan.
This has been a great event. It's so important for people like me, Commissioner of Police, to talk to young people and to hear what they've got to say in terms of how they see their future, what they want from policing and public services. So really well done to everyone involved in this organisation, and I look forward to hosting similar events again.